best AI trading platforms with ready-made AI trading bots. First up is Tickeron. Tickeron offers AI-powered trading robots for stocks and ETFs. Its AI analyzes market patterns, generates trade ideas, and provides performance statistics for different strategies. If you're looking for ready-made AI trading systems, Tickeron is one of the strongest options available. Next is Trade Ideas. Its AI assistant Holly scans thousands of US stocks every day to find high probability trading opportunities. Instead of searching for setups yourself, the AI presents potential traders based on real-time market data and historical testing. It's especially popular among active day traders. TrendSpider focuses on AI-powered market analysis. It automatically identifies support and resistance levels, trend lines, chart patterns, and lets you automate alerts and test trading strategies. It's an excellent platform for traders who want AI to speed up technical analysis. Finally, there's Composer. Composer allows you to build and automate investment strategies without writing code. Using a simple visual interface and increasingly AI-powered tools, you can create rule-based portfolios that automatically rebalance over time. It's ideal for long-term investors who want automation without programming. Remember, AI isn't replacing traders, it's giving them better tools. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading tutorials, AI tools, and platform comparison. Thank you for watching.